What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you the new RC in the fleet, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc. Enemies.
Okay, welcome back. So I got this Z06 RC at auction, and compared to the price that it cost on the Asian sites like TEMU or AliExpress, you know, one of those sites, I got it for a pretty decent price. And as you can see, it looks practically brand new. I mean, the shocks doesn't look worn at all. The body is in great shape. There's no scuffs on the top of the body. The motor looks, I mean, everything looks brand spanking new. There's absolutely nothing wrong that I could visibly see on this RC, other than the fact that it didn't come with a battery. The bottom of it is pristine. This isn't the battery that came with it. Upon taking delivery of it, it didn't come with the battery, number one, and it didn't come with the regular transmitter. But when I saw it in auction, I assumed that this transmitter here, RC4GS, I assumed that this transmitter, since it was with it, had the receiver inside of the vehicle, and it did not. So there was a communications issue. Now, seeing as how I got this from auction, I had to figure out, well, where am I going to get the parts for this Z06? So I took to the internet and did some research, and I actually found the receiver for the transmitter here, the RC4GS version 3. So I will have that coming soon, hopefully next week sometime, before we are scheduled to do another video. And I have the original transmitter to go to this receiver for this Z06 RC. So that is on order, and it should all be here before it's time to post the next video. So on the next video, hopefully we can get this guy going. I've read some reviews which said that this is a pretty fast RC, and I want to put it to the test just to see if it is a powerful Z-Lot Force Z06 RC. You guys will just have to stay tuned for that. This is the battery I'm going to be putting in there. It's a little large for it, but just until I can find the original or something smaller, we're gonna send it. Until we get the parts for this guy, you guys will just have to stay tuned and wait. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see this Z06, not a Corvette, in action, hit that like button. We would appreciate any support you guys can give, or hit that notification bell so you know when we post and upload new videos. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching, subscribing, and supporting our channel. Y'all be easy. See you on the next one. Peace.